Hi everyone, it's Marisa from the blog bumblebeeapothecary.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to explain what is the GAPS diet in a nutshell. So on my channel, I've talked a little bit before about the GAPS diet. I've talked about my personal experience with it and how it has helped myself and some other members of my family. And since posting that video and a couple other ones, I have gotten a ton of interest about the GAPS diet in general. So I'm going to be doing a few more GAPS diet videos sprinkled throughout the rest of my videos on DIY skincare and other things generally about living a sustainable handcrafted lifestyle. So thank you guys for letting me know what you want to watch, and also keep on giving me the ideas of what you want to see and what you want me to talk about. So let's jump into what the GAPS diet is in a nutshell. So first of all, GAPS stands for Gut and Psychology Syndrome. It is a diet designed by Dr. Natasha Campbell-mcbride. She has a degree in medicine and she has postgraduate degrees in neurology and human nutrition. Dr. Campbell-mcbride herself is the parent of a child who is fully recovered from severe autism. She designed this diet as she learned about the connection between gut health and brain health, as well as the health of the rest of our body. The GAPS diet focuses on healing the digestive system, sealing leaky gut, and restoring the balance of friendly bacteria in our digestive tract. The diet itself focuses a lot on meat stock, meats, cooked vegetables, things that are very easy to digest while also being very nourishing. It also includes a lot of healthy fats and certain important supplements. The GAPS diet, like I said, focuses on healing, and then it also promotes very gentle cleansing. The full diet also includes things like raw vegetables, fruits, nuts, various different cooking ingredients, homemade condiments, desserts, and even various baked goods using alternative flours. The GAPS diet avoids things like grains, starches, all sweeteners except for honey, all processed and refined foods, all artificial ingredients, additives, preservatives, and all inflammatory industrial oils. People normally spend about 2 years on the GAPS diet. That's what you can expect to plan. Sometimes people take longer. Sometimes if it's a very mild thing that you're trying to heal, it could take shorter than that. But 2 years is usually a good amount of time to plan on. The younger a person is, the quicker and more deeply they can heal. As we increase in age, it just takes longer for us to heal. The GAPS diet starts off with an introduction diet with different stages that build on itself. That just lets you introduce different foods gradually so that healing can take place more quickly and in a more deep way. After the introduction stages are completed, the patient moves on to the full GAPS diet where all of the allowed foods are included. Once healing has taken place, it's no longer necessary to stay on the GAPS diet, and it's not really a diet that is intended to be eaten long term, but the person can usually move on to a more traditional whole foods diet such as the Weston A. Price or Nourishing Traditions diet, where all different food groups are included. Quality is really focused on, sources are really important, and you just want to make sure that all the ingredients are properly prepared. I personally have done the GAPS diet. I was on it for a full 2 years, and I talk about that in another video which I'll link below, all the things that it did for me and what I was able to heal from. And I can say that yes, even though it's an adjustment to not be able to eat certain things for a while, it is a wonderful way to eat. And the key to that, I found out, is focusing on what you can eat. And really, it's a very gourmet diet. It's high quality meats, vegetables, they can be cooked beautifully. So many things within those allowed foods that you can enjoy, so many combinations. There's desserts, baked goods, all those kinds of things, so you really don't have to do without, and it's delicious. And then last but not least, as I've kind of touched on, the benefits are phenomenal. And just like the original purpose of the GAPS diet was to heal autism, so many families have been able to heal their children completely from autism and other different learning disabilities and physical things like eczema, allergies, asthma, and different things like that. So it is so worth it and such a wonderful thing to know about. I hope that you enjoyed hearing about what the GAPS diet is in a nutshell. If you have any questions, leave them for me below in the comments. I always love hearing from you guys, and I try to respond to all my comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I make new videos every week on living a sustainable handcrafted lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.